Dr. Zakir Naik is an Indian Islamic preacher. He is the president of Islamic Research Foundation (IRF) and doing research on different religious beliefs and spiritual books of many religions. He is like a walking memory stick and had memorized verses in Bible and Hindu religious books like Veda and the Upanishad. He invites many scholars from different religions for debates and tries to pull them down with data he memorized from Islamic and non-Islamic spiritual books. For instance, he takes some Sanskrit verses in Rig Veda and tries to give meaning in a way it supports Islam. You have to understand that Sanskrit is a very deep language. In Sanskrit, for one word, you can arrive at many different meanings. He carefully identifies verses and words in these books and gives meanings to them in such a way it supports Islam. He uses these tactics to put non-Islamic religious leaders down. He says every religion has some acceptable facts and these acceptable facts support Islam only. But according to me, he is not authentic. Let me give you one example to indicate why he is not truthful and why what he speaks is irrelevant. He says it's perfectly right for a man to marry 4 wives even today as recommended by Muhammad. Let's go back to the history. The land where Muhammad was born was a barbaric society. There were wars upon wars. Men were continuously being killed. Women were raped and tortured but not killed. So the ratio of men and women became 1:4. For every man there were 4 women. So Muhammad declared that a man can marry 4 wives. It was perfectly right at that time in Arabia 1400 years before. Muhammad said this probably to avoid the other 3 women ending up in prostitution. But it is not right to follow it now. The reason is men and women are almost equal in numbers. More precisely, out of 1000 people, 504 are men and 496 are women. For every 100 girls, 107 boys are born. But males have a higher risk of dying than females, both in childhood and at adult ages. So at a certain age, the numbers of men and women even out. But Zakir Naik continues to claim that the ratio 1:4 still prevails. One has to understand in what context why Muhammad said certain things. This is true for every religion. Just to spread his religion, just to claim that his religion is relevant today, Zakir Naik justifies it with false statistics. He is pseudo. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.